Today, many individuals are making transition to data science. Either they are getting prepared by themselves or taking up a data science course. Also, the individuals who have still not entered the space are in gigantic situation to which type of course to choose, online or classroom sessions. So, before heading forward to this conclusion, let's discuss about them individually. Digital education has made it truly simple for individuals who can't stand to spend money and time to get information in study halls and establishments. The general concept of online data science is to give quality substance over the web and substance that individuals can get to sitting at their homes. The customary online course design shifts relying upon the course provider. Even though online schooling field is developing, the classroom format is still there in the scenario. The significant purpose of this type of education is how the amount of substance is essentially huge and the direction that aspirants get from experts and faculties. Classroom sessions are more effective with clarifying questions. Practical knowledge of concepts is the additional important part in the prevalence of classroom format to learn data science. So here we conclude that both of them have their own sets of pros and cons. But what if you get a blend of two? Here's another option to learn data science: hybrid learning. You will get theoretical knowledge of data science through online sessions and work on projects in major cities in the hybrid learning format by LearnBay. Due to COVID-19, it is not possible to take full-time classroom training of data science. But to enter the field of data science, it's essential to work on projects. So it is crucial to work on projects under the guidance of experts in the classroom sessions where you will know the industry's work. Lately, data is assuming control over the world faster than you know. If you need to make a vocation in data science, this is the perfect time. Arm yourself with the correct way of learning. If you look for the hybrid learning pattern, enroll now to learnbay.co, where the future begins. Thanks for watching.